Hey, hello everyone. I hope you all are healthy, happy, and enjoying your life. And here, this is Sheetal with you. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you read paid articles for free. Because many of us are preparing for different exams, which are required to have a good reading skill, right? And for enhancing your reading skills, you require to read a lot of newspapers, a lot of blogs and articles, and not only articles which are free, but you need to read articles which are paid, because they have a content which has been written by some experts, right? So there are some newspapers like New York Times and Washington Post. They are not free, but their articles are something which we must read to enhance our reading skills, right? And we can also read Indian newspapers. They are available for free on several websites like daily epaper.in. But New York Times and Washington Post and The Economist, these are some websites on which we cannot read article for free, right? So read article on these websites for free. I have a trick for you. So let's start. So just search your article as you search every day. Like I wanna. So here you can see Washington Post results regarding the Washington Post are here. I just want to read articles, so I will open Washington Post and will open one of the article that I want to read. Like I want to read opinions. So here I'm gonna read this. So if you haven't reached your limit, you will be allowed to read. But here I have reached my limit, so I will have to buy the subscription, but I have not money to buy the subscription. I have a trick to read. So just copy the link that is appearing in your search bar, right? Just copy it and open your Chrome in incognito mode, right? uh, Now paste the link and search, press the enter key, and after pressing the enter key, just turn off your internet, right? So what will it do? It will download your article, and it will not let the subscription pop-up appear, right? So let me show you. Now I will turn off it. Yeah, now you can see the whole article is here. No subscription pop-up is here in front of me. Even I will show you for a while that pop-up will not appear. You can see this is 9:39 now, and I will show you for 1 minute, right? And one more benefit of this is you will be able to read without any interruption, because when we read articles with activating internet, we see a lot of ads which interrupt us, right? So we will also be avoiding interruption, right? So here this is the whole article in front of you. You can read this whole article till end. No subscription pop-up will appear in front of you, right? And it is a very excellent trick, right, for the students like me, right? Okay, so you can see. Now let me show you for an other website. Let me close incognito window and let me activate my internet. And one more advantage, there is one disadvantage of this trick is that we can read only one article at a time. We cannot read more more than one, because it is good in my opinion, right? So now my internet is turned on. I just need to connect. Okay, wait for a few seconds. There is some issue. Let me do it. Okay, yes, it's connected. Now I want to read an article on The Economist, right? So here the results. Now I want to read an article from the section, let's say I want to read an article from technology section, right? Here are and I want to read what I want to read this. Let's see. As I scroll down, you can see this subscription pop-up is not letting me read this article. What I'll do, I'll just copy the link and will open my Chrome in incognito mode and will paste the link and will enter the search button, and with the same I will deactivate my internet. So now you can see the article has downloaded, but that subscription pop-up is not here. You can see the whole article till end I can read. And why does it happen? Because there is a time gap between your article loading and that subscription pop-up. Within that time span, you will download your article and will turn off your internet, and this is the very reason after which your subscription pop-up will not appear. So you need not to know about that why does it not appear. You just need to enjoy this trick and enjoy this reading habit also. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope my video will help you and will save your money. So bye bye, and we'll see you in next video with a new excellent trick.